So now that I have everything ready on Final Cut Pro, I'm going to show to you how easy it is to use the multicam even if your computer is really old, and why I use this method, because I think it's much better for you to produce some videos and to be much faster. First of all, you open a new project. In this case, I gave the name of multicam. It will come saying Smart Collections, and it will come with an event. Okay, so this is events that I gave the name of GoPro and main. How you create a new event, you just double press new event, and like I said in the beginning, when you open a new project, that event will have the day that you just create that event or that specific project. After that, what I have to do is I have to import some videos. So if I have to import the GoPro angle, I just press in GoPro, File, come here, import media, and I have it there. And the main, the same thing. What I normally do is, like you can see here, I have gave the numbers 1 and 1 GP, so 1 and 1 GoPro. In that way, I know that is exactly the same shot. I started doing this because my computer, the old one, was not powerful enough, and I wanted to do some multicams. So what you are doing is, and why I continue to do even with the MacBook Pro 16-inch fully specs, basically, I do this because it's going to save you a lot of time. So imagine that I just want to do my introduction of this video. So I'm going to do a lot of takes until I have that take that I really enjoy. And that will be the last one. And that's why I stopped recording, because after when I'm editing, I just have to go to the end of that beat that I was recording and just cut the part of the video that I want. So I think it's much better for you if you are filming and you have to do this type of videos. But let's jump once again to the computer. So when we arrive here, I have already created my multicam that is in here. But what we are going to do is you have to select the two. Don't forget to always press on the multicam so you can see all the files there. And when you select the two, you right click and you come to new multiple clip. And here you can see that it creates this box, change the name and which events you want that, or in the main or in the GoPro, it doesn't matter. After you go to the multicam, you select the part that you want. So let's say that I just want this part. Beginning, you press I. End of that video, you press O, and to export you press E, and it goes straight away to the timeline. So now that we have the multi-clip on the timeline here, if your computer is not strong enough, close everything. So all these windows, you close it, because we don't want that data to do this specific thing. And another thing, you come here to the view and you pass from better quality to better performance. You can also use proxy, but for me it never really worked well on my old computer, and obviously that is going to extremes. If you go just to better performance, you should be all right. And after, what you need to do is you come to the view and you press angle. And like you can see, I have here the two cameras, and you see that this one is selected in yellow. And this is the first option, that is video and sound. The second one is video and the other one is sound. So in this case, I want the sound to come out from my main camera, not from my GoPro. So it's correct, I don't need to change, but imagine that the sound was coming from the GoPro. I will choose the first option, the yellow one, and I'll press there, and I know that it passed video and sound. And after, I just need to press on the blue and swap between the two. But in this case, I'm going to just select once again the main one and change just to change the angle of the camera. Now, what you have to do is very simple. You just have to press on the space bar and it starts going. I already know which angle it is. So once again, if your computer is too slow, just close the angles, because that it takes a lot of power. Now you press the space bar, it starts running. Now I want to change for the GoPro angle. I press there. Now I don't want once again that angle. I pass to the other one. So you can do this as much as you want, and it's very fast, like you can see. Another thing that I recommend is to always, when you have this bar where you do the transition, put where you are not talking, because otherwise you are going to have some jumps on your sound. If you don't want that jump, what you can do is you come here, you press detach audio. The audio is out, and normally after I extend to the rest of the video. So in that way I can after detach this audio, imagine, and I can erase. So in that way I'm not going to have any jumps. So that is an extra tip if you are using with multicams. If I don't want that transition, I just press there, you can see in yellow, and after you just erase and it's gone. So just to point it out, in this case, imagine that I want to put it back the sound with the video, you just put new compound clip and it will once again put everything together. This was a very quick tip how to use multicams. I hope that was helpful. If you have a very old computer, you don't need to wait to use multicams. If you have any questions for me, please leave in the comments below. If you want me to cover something in specific about Final Cut Pro, also leave in the comments below. My name is Marco, this is MacPack. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one.